Listen to the story Theme for a Dream. The phone rang in a house in Salem. Mariyappan Thangavelu's mother spoke to the person at the other end. Yes, this is Mariyappan's home. Thank you for your blessings. Please pray for him. Bye. Mariyappan Thangavelu was participating in the 2016 Summer Paralympic Games being held in Rio de Janeiro. It was no ordinary achievement. At the age of 5, Thangavelu suffered permanent disability in his right leg. He was walking to school when he came under a bus which crushed his leg below the knee. When it healed, it was not much of a leg. Despite this difficulty, he enjoyed playing volleyball in school. Seeing his talent, his teacher encouraged him to try the high jump. He received his first sports award at the age of 14 in 2009. From then on, Thangavelu started training hard for the Paralympic Games. So, what are the Paralympics and how did they begin? Sir Ludwig Guttmann was a neurologist at the Stoke Mandeville Hospital in Buckinghamshire, England. In 1948, he organized an archery contest for World War II soldiers. Some of these soldiers had lost the use of their limbs because of spinal injuries. Others had their limbs cut off. Sir Guttmann believed that the injured soldiers could heal faster and lead normal lives through sports, and the contest was the result of this belief. Later, more and more differently abled soldiers and civilians wanted to participate in games. So they learned to play games while sitting in a wheelchair or using artificial limbs. Soon they were ready for wheelchair races, and the first sports event for the differently abled took place. Many more events were held after that. These events came to be known as the Stoke Mandeville Games. Other countries too followed their example and encouraged their injured soldiers to take up sports. 4 years later, competitors from the Netherlands joined the games, and it began to be called the International Stoke Mandeville Games. Initially, only sports like running on artificial legs, swimming, or wheelchair races were conducted. Soon, other events for differently abled athletes were organized. Then in 1960, for the first time, the Olympics and the International Stoke Mandeville Games were held together in Rome, where they came to be called the Paralympics. Eventually, the Summer and the Winter Paralympics began to be held separately. Today, the Paralympics is a unique sports event for differently abled athletes to show what the participants are capable of. While the competitions started with just a few games, today, differently abled athletes participate in a number of activities from archery to rugby. Participation in the Summer Paralympics has increased from 400 athletes from 23 countries in 1960, Rome, to nearly 4,350 athletes from more than 160 countries in 2016, Rio de Janeiro. It was at the Rio Paralympics that Mariyappan Thangavelu won the gold medal in the high jump finals. He received the Padma Shri and the Arjuna Award from the President of India for this achievement. This was a well-deserved reward for the talented high jumper. It seems his journey to stardom has just begun.